Hello everyone, it is Tropics WX here with another video, and we have a uh, Pacific Typhoon Season 5 video here. We have Tropical Storm Fengshen here with the Philippine tag to it, and this is warning number 3, so yeah. Position 13.6 north, 124.1 east, moving 315 degree, wait. Moving northwest at 9.2 miles per hour with the maximum sustained winds of 40.2 miles per hour. So, let's go back over there. It's supposed to be 45, 50, 45, 50, 65 miles per hour as a severe tropical storm, 80 mile per hour as a typhoon, then severe tropical storm with 80, 70 miles per hour, then it will weaken to a 50 mile per hour tropical storm. It does pose some impacts to the Philippines, Hong Kong, China, that little country near Hong Kong, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, and Thailand. Listen up for some statements from me from Zoom over there. Second, people. Okay, here we are on Zoom Earth. It does it. Since we can't get the pressure of it, I'll give you the actual pressure. 998. So yeah. Zoom Earth is a little bit off right now. They're saying 50, which I'm not. It's 40 right now. It's for the next soon. Okay, so as we speak, it's forecast to have 40 mile per hour, 50 as its tropical storm. Severe tropical storm is supposed to have 65 miles per hour. It's supposed to be a typhoon with 80 miles per hour. Then it'll go down to severe tropical storm with 70 miles per hour. Then it will go back down to a tropical storm. So, Vietnam, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, Thailand, Hong Kong, that little country near Hong Kong. I don't know how to pronounce you. Sorry. China, uh, Philippines. Please listen up for this. You are facing serious conditions to the point where flash flooding, mudslides, landslides, and heavy winds that did happen. Um, Presently near Hong Kong, you are expected to be having what could be typhoon force winds. So yes, um, make sure you listen for. Make sure you listen to your law enforcement, your local government. Even listen if you follow the Philippine agency on Twitter. Uh, it's highly advised that you listen to what they're saying. Posting updates on the Philippine name right here. I'm not gonna pronounce it because it sounds so weird. But yeah, we will provide updates on the system, so make sure you consider subscribing, leaving a like, and making sure you share this video to the people who are going to get impacted by this. And yeah, make sure you have notification bell on. And yeah, that being said, this is Trevor Tropics WX signing out. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.